All right, so today I'm doing something a little bit different, but well, not really different. I'm doing something I haven't done in a while. I have two packages here. They're both pretty good size, and I don't know where either one of these is from, and I don't know what's inside them. My guess is that Champ Sports has something to do with one of these packages, but usually they give me the heads up when they're sending something over, but I haven't heard anything from them. Typically when I get something like this, I just dive right in, and if I think it's a sneaker worth showing to you guys that I like, I'll show it in a future video, but I usually don't do the unboxing in front of the camera because these might not be that great. So you guys can let me know down in the comment section what you think about them. Old school style. Let me know what you think about these sneakers. Are they complete trash, or do you think that this is something that is absolutely amazing, gonna change the sneaker game, and that I'm gonna wear every day for the rest of this year and on to next year? Highly unlikely, but let's check them out, man. Let's do it together. So this first package is coming in from New York City, and yeah, that's about it. That's all I know, is that this is coming from New York. Try to rip it, didn't happen. What do we got? Oh, looks like we got something from Asics. All right, okay. Oh, I have a pretty good idea what these are, and cool, great unboxing. Then we also have some clothing in here. A lot of Asics clothing. What is this, a track jacket? I'm into track jackets. You send me any track jacket, any brand, send me a track jacket and I will check that thing out. But let's look at this t-shirt first. Boom. That's a cool logo. That's not exactly what you'd expect. So this is from the Asics Dojo Pack that just dropped. I think there's a couple sneakers. I don't know which pair that is. I'll show you guys in a second, but there's definitely a pair of sneakers, and I don't know too much about the pack either. I just know it's called the Dojo Pack, and I think that Asics has some ties with Japanese heritage, so maybe they're just bringing it all together with this pack. I'm really not doing this justice. I'm sorry, Asics, if you were expecting something better. I apologize, but a little heads up can go a long way. I'm just telling you, if you tell me that this is coming, I can prepare a little bit as opposed to just going off the cuff like so. What are these? Track pants, black and yellow, and you know what? These are fire. Can I pull these off? That is the question. And it's in like this technical running fabric. So this is actually really cool. I do like these track pants. I would just have to figure out a fit that would go with them. And there was one other thing. Oh yeah, the track jacket. Again, this is the Dojo Pack. So if you guys are interested in this, I will definitely link it down below where you can cop a pair of sneakers that I haven't shown you yet, or any of this apparel if it's still available. But yeah, this jacket, yep. Yes, sir, this jacket is actually really dope. So Asics, doing your thing with a little bit of apparel. I'm with it. I'm definitely with it. Would I wear these together? Nope. That would be on some like Kill Bill shit. All right, so do we know what size this is, or if these are even sneakers? Because I see more apparel. All right, we got another t-shirt here, and it's slightly different than the other one. There we go. Welcome to the dojo. Welcome to the dojo. Welcome to the dojo. And we've got the Asics Diablo, I believe that this is. I like these. These are cool. I don't dislike them, and I don't absolutely love them, but I do think that Asics should definitely get into this chunky sneaker game and retro some older styles, because you know they have them in their bag. I do like that chunky midsole on here, and obviously the colorway is flashy, so this is definitely a step in the right direction for Asics, in my opinion. I really haven't seen much from them that I've liked in a long time, other than like Ronnie Fieg collaborations or collaborations with other shops. So this is cool. Nice job by Asics. What size are these? Hopefully they are 11 and a half and they fit me. All right, so this next package is much bigger, and I have no clue what's in here, man. Really no clue. And hopefully it's something legit. It says fragile on the side, so I've made sure not to drop this down my stairs or anything. I started to open the box, and then when I got in here, it was all bubble wrapped. So your guess is as good as mine as far as what's in here. But this has all the signs of a Champ Sports package. I mean, there has to be something good in here. If there's not, this is gonna be a complete letdown. It says peel here to open in multiple places. Please remove the contents of this box before unwrapping. I guess I gotta take this out. So, okay, what do we got on the front here? Champ Sports logo, so I was right. This is from Champ Sports. And there's also a Nike logo. Oh wow, this is dope. Okay, so it says refresh the game on the front, Champ Sports logo, and then a Nike swoosh. And then on the side, it says @EddieWinKicks, my handle on Twitter and Instagram. Make sure you're following me over there. I know everyone always plugs their socials and their YouTube videos, and then you follow them and it's like Z's, straight boring. I won't let you down, man. My Instagram is legit. I think I like to carry it as well as I carry this channel and put out good content. So hopefully my Instagram isn't letting you guys down. But back to this package. So it's laced up with a shoelace, and then it says, new season, new vibes, get right, just do it. And then it has a cardboard hang tag of an Air Force One, a Huarache, I'm getting this all messed up, a 270, and then an Air Force One, not an Air Force One, an Air Max One. This is really cool how they did this package. Nice job, Champ Sports. This thing is what's up. I want to unbox this on my Instagram too. Damn. Should I go live on my Instagram and do this at the same time? No, all right. You guys get the exclusive. It's here first. Once I unlace this, I'm not going to be able to show it in another way. But, oh, on the side of the box, damn, this is definitely the best package I've ever got from Champ Sports. They've got all these different images on the side. I think that's really cool. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see more details on this package. But what's most important is obviously what's in here. And there's got to be something good, man. There's got to be something good up in here. Don't drop this. Please don't drop this. How is it? What is this, a slide out? Am I sliding out? Am I pulling at the top? That is what she said. All right, don't drop this. Oh, there's that cardboard cutout. Then we've got a Nike hoodie, and this is from the Just Do It collection. I absolutely love how they did this Just Do It campaign and what Nike's doing in general right now. They're killing the game. This hoodie says Just Do It in the back. I initially got a little bit of an off-white vibe from this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure a lot of you guys did too, but it is what it is. Nike on the front, Just Do It on the side, and look how they did the Nike logos on the sleeve. That is what's up right there. They killed it, man. They absolutely killed this hoodie and the footwear in this collection. Got a couple Just Do It stickers that I'm gonna probably throw on my skateboard or something like that. And then the goodies. Yes, sir. Some Air Max 1s in that bright orange color. Get you a good look right there. Boom. Look at these bad boys, man. Woo. These things are popping, man. These things are absolutely popping on my camera. They gotta be just fluorescent orange because in hand, these things are loud. So my favorite from this whole pack was the Air Force One, but these are just as nice, but just different, obviously, because they're all entirely orange. Check out how they did the branding on this sneaker, man. This is so crazy how they did this. I like these because when you're wearing them, you look down and you can see so many different logos on here. Just Do It on the back, that's the biggest branding. The same as this sticker. They just slap the sticker. All these are nylon, by the way, and then the upper is leather. So the patches are mostly done in a nylon, and then it is a soft leather upper. Nice quality on the leather as well. So outsole, nothing crazy, just basic. So I got the hoodie and these Air Max 1s. Champ Sports did their thing with this package, and of course, Nike did their thing with this entire drop. I still need to add the Air Force 1s because I think that's one of the best general release sneakers of the year from Nike, and I still don't own them. So I gotta get those, and then if you wanna check out that Asics stuff, I'll link it down below. I'll link everything down below. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're new. Bunch of new stuff on the way, all fall content. And I was actually like, why am I even making this video? Because I want to work on a fall vid, but this was worth it for sure. But I made a gigantic mess everywhere. That's what she said, and I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time. Peace.